This is the Ethereum one-day reading for June 1st, 2023. It's currently May 16th, 2023, 9:25 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file for June 1st Ethereum reading was created on May 6th, 2023 at 10:27 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a sideways rotation along key support, followed by a prominent move higher on a one-day chart, and then the establishment of support at a higher level with some sideways rotation. Behavior around the highest high, we have a nullified satiety card. So we have a crest that we sell off, an overbought crest that we sell off through multiple support levels down off of the high, and then behavior around the lowest low, we have a decline to and through a support level relevant on a one-day chart. We meet a second support and then we rotate sideways along that support. I'm advised to trade around a resistance level that volume kind of flattens out when we meet that resistance level. Now between midnight and 2 a.m. there's a decline to and through a support level, meet a second support level. We rotate sideways along that support and then break down through multiple supports. We rally into a resistance level between 2 and 4, followed by a decline with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. Between roughly 4 and 6, a rally through resistance level that's important on a one-day scale. We might make a new local high there. And we'll stay above that resistance level briefly and then break back down through that same price level shortly thereafter. And it looks like that decline is pretty notable on a one-day scale right there around the cusp, around the 6 o'clock hour, I should say. And then after that decline, we have a rally between roughly 6 and 10 that increases with momentum moving forward in time. Between roughly 8 and 10, we push the upper end of a range higher, moving into a top off here between roughly 10 and 11, where we have the completion of a rally. Matter of fact, it's somewhere between 10 and 2 o'clock, I should say. Somewhere between 10 and 2 o'clock. And there's strong correlations here to the 1 month. Where we have a cross-reading correlation with the what it indicates. Basically, here it's a congruency. We have the completion card as the high correlator here in the 1 month, and then we have the completion card here near where we most likely have a highest high as well. So the last bit of a rally, somewhere between like 12 and 2, offers opportunity to open up a short position. And then there's likely a notable drop somewhere there in the 2 to 4 o'clock hour, followed by bumping up against resistance, breaking through resistance, bumping along resistance, breaking through resistance kind of behavior. But the majority of that behavior between 2 and 4 should be bumping along resistance, turning into a period of volatility between roughly 4 and 6 that ends with a fast sudden move higher between roughly 6 and 8, where we move from out of a decline from the bottom of a range all the way to the top of a range. We meet key resistance there between roughly 8 and 10. This is where the trade is advised. Volume likely flattens out there, and we have a breakout around this level here. A breakout between roughly 10 and midnight. On a breakout on like a one-day scale. The sneak preview for the following day, we have a pretty notable opportunity. It's an opportunity that will stand out out amongst many of the days of June. The opportunity tomorrow will stand out based on the full card. And it looks like it's mixed, mostly to the downside, and that's and then volume for the day looks to be mixed with a slight slant to the downside as well. That's Ethereum for June 1st, 2023. Don't forget to hit that like button, and my friends, make sure to follow the Rule of Karma as always. You do so here at the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, where we ask that you donate 5% of the profits forward to one of the charities here on our resources tab. And then we ask that you send 5% of the profits forward, back to the channel in one of these options here that leaves you with 90% of the profits. And make sure you spend that money out of love and follow the Rule of Karma. The universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel, my friends. Just make sure to follow that Rule of Karma. I'll see you on the next one.